Okay, so the thing is that a lot of people will think that once their chicken wants to start laying, that all of them will start laying at the same time. But it's not going to be possible. It's impossible for all your chickens to start laying at the same time. Because what is going to happen is that you first of all pick the first egg, then gradually you start picking two eggs every day or three eggs. Before you know, you hit one crate. Before you know, you hit two crates every day. It's going to be a process. You understand? So it's just gradually. If one start laying today, before you know, another one will start laying. Before you know, the rest will join them. It's not all your whole chicken that will just start laying at the same time. You get? So even if the chicken start laying, you still need to be feeding them, or you still need to be investing money to feed them, because they will be capable of laying, but they'll not be capable of feeding themselves, because it's not all of them that are laying. You get? So it's going to be a process for them to start laying to reach their peak production. You get? So that's it.